Ian has corn that he planted.
Why is it more?
Oh, it's good. It's enough. Here, put a little bit here. You put that on. Good job.
Uphill right over here.
Yep. Okay, now try it.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi. This is our corn. Ian's corn. I'm gonna put some butter on it too, even though it's super sweet corn.
Yeah.
It's like the sweetest corn I've ever tried.
Yeah.
At least raw. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Mmm.
Mmm. It tastes delicious.
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
Mommy needs some too.
Mhm.
Mommy needs some delicious corn.
Mhm. Hey, good Mommy, you have delicious corn.
Thank you. Mmm.
Mommy, you have that too.
Yeah. I'm filming
and
you.
They have that too.
Yep.
They good. Thank you, sis.
Yep. You got butter on your face.
Mhm.
Corn.
Mhm.
Where did the corn come from?
Oh, going.
Our garden. Yeah.
Yep. Not many people grow corn. I don't know anyone. I guess they're neighbors, but other than that, I don't know anyone else. Is it good?
Mhm.
I'm eating it too.
I eat too.